Hello everyone, welcome to Friday. Really nice open today. Opened up a nice big gap, shot right through the 50% retracement. All the different technical indicators just blew them away. There was some news last night about a company who has drugs that seem to be working as a treatment for the virus. Very small study, lots of information still needs to be gathered to see what's happening. But if you are in the camp that believes the market is going to be going up from here, any sign of a cure is something you're going to be looking for. Because if you have a cure and a couple $1 trillion worth of stimulus, the market's going to have a really good time in that environment. So we're still going to, weigh this out. Very happy with how the portfolios have been going so far. We hit a low back on the 23rd of March, and we've been marching up ever since. We've recovered a vast majority of the losses that we've had this year, and we're well ahead of what the market has done. And so we're going to just continue to watch the battle between what's happening with the virus and the possible cures and what's happening with the actual economic results. And so far the economic results have been as bad as we've thought. Some cases a little worse, some cases a little better, but for the most part the market has already priced those in and is ignoring those in the sense that it's looking at this stimulus as the key for success, at least here in the short term. So I want to thank everybody very much for listening, and have a great, healthy, safe weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you again on Monday. Thank you.